Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. In the last video basically I covered what is module and how we are going to access the module, how we are going to set the okay. Today I am going to cover the most important topic, JSON. JSON, the full form of JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. Okay, JavaScript Object Notation in JSON is an open standard file format and data interchange format that uses human readable text to store and transmit data object consisting of attributes, value pair and array data types in any other serializable value. That is very important JSON because in the real time or in the call to the APIs, application program interface, that we are going to use JSON to transfer the data. JSON is basically that I said the JavaScript object notation. It means that a script, that means executable file which is made of text in a programming language and is used to store and transfer the data. Python also supports JSON through a built-in package called JSON. Okay. We have the Python JSON. How we are JSON JavaScript Object Notation. Okay. In the Python we have the JSON library that we are going to perform the JSON. Okay. I will show you the example of JSON first. Okay, just make a first name, key value pair like that, John, last name, Smith, is live, true, age 37, phone number, this is basically the array you can say, or list. In this one you have type, home, number 22121 like that, number, then type, office, number, six four six hyphen 5777 Okay, this is the format that we are going to use in JSON. That is complex also. More than that, we can add the extra attributes and phone number type, home, office, landline number we can put it. This is complex. JSON also you can make it. Okay, I am going to remove this one now. Okay, now we are going to perform the operation in JSON. Okay, in the JSON, as I said, we are going to use JSON library to import all the JSON object. Now I am going to show how we are going to pass JSON, convert from JSON to Pythons. Pass JSON. Okay, if you have JSON string and you can pass it by using the JSON.loads method. How we are going to pass JSON to Python? JSON.loads method. Okay, now I am going to create one JSON, some JSON. Okay, I'm going to use name John age 30, okay, city New York, okay. This is your type of JSON, some JSON file. Now I am going to use y dot JSON dots load, okay. I'm going to pass the JSON, okay. Now first I will show you print y, and then I'm going to run it. It will complete a JSON file. See here, key value pair, name John, age 30, city New York. If you are going to access using name, then it will get John, age, then you will get 30, and city, then you will get New York. Now it's converted to JSON, okay. Now if you are going to pass name here and now going to run, then it will print John, okay. Same way, print y of age, then it will print 30, print y of New York, sorry, city, then it will print New York, then John 30 and New York, right. John 30 and New York, okay. This is clear now. Now I am going to show you how we are going to convert from Python to JSON, right. This is from JSON to Python. JSON to Python, okay. Now I am going to show you Python to JSON. Python to JSON, okay. If you have JSON string, right, sorry, Python, or if you have a Python object and you can convert it into a JSON string by using the JSON.dumps method. Python.json, how we are going to use JSON.dumps method, okay. This will convert to Python object. Just remove this one, and now I'm going to create the one Python object dictionary, name John, okay, age 30, city New York, right. Okay. Now I'm going to convert into JSON. Then y is equal to JSON dot dumps and passing the x. Okay. Now I'm going to result of JSON string. Then print y. Okay. Let's run it. Okay. See, name is John, age is 30, city is New York. Okay. This is a JSON string. Name John, age 30, city and New York. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to convert Python object to the different types into JSON string, right? Dictionary, list, tuple, string, integer, float, true, false, etc. Okay. For that, what I have to do, this is clear now, right? Now I'm going to import JSON and first I'm going to convert JSON.dumps to dictionary. Okay, for dictionary how are we going to write? Just like that. Name John, age 30. Okay, what will happen? It will convert to into JSON string. This is your dictionary, right? Dictionary type. Dictionary type and convert into JSON string. Let's run it and see. Name John, age 30. Okay, this is going to convert JSON string. Now if you are going to print, going to convert list, so JSON dot dumps apple banana. Okay, now this is list type converted into JSON string. Okay, let's run this once again. Okay, this is the JSON string, list into JSON string. Now I'm going to convert to tuple. Print JSON dot dumps and then going to pass tuple apple banana. Okay, tuple type into JSON strings. Let's run it. Okay, this is tuple. Now I'm going to show you. This is JSON string. That's basically, this is tuple. We are going to convert into JSON string. Okay, now I'm going to convert string into JSON string. JSON dot dumps. Okay, and hello Python. This is string type into JSON string. Okay, let's run it. This is JSON string. Okay, that is converted from string type from to JSON string. Now integer JSON dot dumps. I'm going to pass 42. Integer type into JSON string. Okay, let's run it. Okay, this is 42 converted to JSON string. Now print JSON dot dumps and float 31.76. This is float type converted into JSON string. Okay, now I am going to show you true and false boolean value. Print JSON dot dumps. I'm going to pass true. It is boolean type, right? Bool type converted into JSON string. Okay, let's run it. Okay, see here 2 is the caps letter. Now it's going to convert JSON string, then it will be small letter. Okay, same like if we are going to check false, that will also small letter. Okay, let's run it. Okay, false. This is JSON string. Okay, now I'm going to run none. JSON dot dumps none. Come none. Okay, see none is going to, when you are going to convert into JSON string, then it will give you null. None converted into JSON string. Okay, this is clear now. Now see JSON dot loads, when you are going to convert into JSON string, then if you want to get the access, just like I show you one simple, let's copy this one. This is dictionary, right? Remove. Okay, this is converted to JSON, this X. And if you are going to print x of name, and let's run it. See what is saying, string index must be integer, right? This is JSON string only. Okay, now if you want to access using the name, what you have to do, you have to parse it, right, using the loads methods. Okay, then what you have to do, parse JSON dot loads and use x. What it will do, it will parse into JSON type that we are going to access using the key and getting the values. Okay, parse JS. Now if you are going to print parse and going to parse name, then what it will do, it will print John. Let's run it. Okay, before this what will happen, because the JSON is string, that's why giving string index of that, right? Now if you want to access age and print parse and passing the age, then it will get 30. Okay, John and 30. This is clear now. This is basically JSON in Pythons when you are going to use loads. Okay, now I am going to show you how you are going to Python object contain all the legal types. Okay, in one shot we are going to dump all of them. Okay, I am going to create one Python objects containing all the legal types. Okay, just like a name, John, age 30, okay, married to divorce false, cars model MW model KG one second model, what will you copy, paste it here, forward, I list 22. Okay, this is one JSON Python object, okay, containing all the legal type. Python object containing all the legal type. Now what we are going to do, we are going to dump this one. Okay, x equal to Python JSON dot dumps passing the x. Okay, let's run it. Will not give anything. Now print dumps. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, name John, age 33, married, true, divorce, false, cars. This is a list of dictionaries. Okay, what I did, I converted a Python object containing all the legal types. Now if you are going to access just like a name, it will give you a string index must be integer. Now what we have to do, we have to use the same JSON dot loads method to parse it. Okay, parse equal to JSON dot loads and dumps. Okay, now if you are going to use parse with name, then it will print John. Okay, let's run it. Okay, John. Now if you're going to access cars, then print pass and passing cars. Right. Let's run it. Model BMW MPG, right? I'm going to show you how we are going to format the result. Okay. In this example, what I am going to do, just like a print a JSON string, right? But it's not very easy to read it with no indentation and line breaks. Now the JSON.dumps methods has a parameter to make it easier to read the result. Okay. We have to use indent parameter to define the number of indents. Okay. In the dumps, right, just remove this one. Okay, if I'm going to print x, okay, in this one line, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to use dumps using the indentation. Just like a print json.dumps and use the x and indent equal to 4 for better readability. Okay, let's see, right? It will proper spacing is here, name, age, married, divorce, cars. Okay, this is better readability. We are going to use indent. Okay, you can also define the separator. Okay, default value is comma and colon. Okay, this is comma and this is colon. Okay, this is default that we are going to do, which means using a comma and space separate each object and a colon and a space to separate key from values. Okay, what happened here is by default we have comma and column, right? Now if you want to change it, we have to use separator methods. Okay, let's remove this one, print json.dumps x indent 4 comma separators. Okay, and what we have to do is dot. Okay, comma, yes, use it, and space, equal space. Okay, by default what is there? Comma and column, right? Default comma and column, right? And using the separator, what will it will do? It will comma is going to dot and column is going to equal with space. Okay, colon is equal with space and comma is changed to dot. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, now what happened? Colon is converted to equal to, right, and comma is converted to dot. Okay, using the separator attributes. Okay, this is clear now. Now I'm going to show final order the results. The json.dumps method has the parameter to order the keys in the result. Okay, we have the sort key methods that we are going to order this one, just like a name is coming first, age, married, right? If we are going to use sort key, then what will age will come first. Okay, and after that cars will come. Okay, let's use the final keyword. Separator is okay, remove the separator and use the sort key equal to true. Okay, now run it. Okay, divorce is coming because this is uppercase. Okay, if you are going to use D small, then it's the ASCII value, that's why it's coming first. Now I'm going to use all the small and let's run once again. Okay, now age is coming first, cars, then divorce, then married, and then name. Okay, this is very important, sort keys. Okay, this is clear now for today. That's it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come, and please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video with new topic. Thank you.